Welcome to Sedona Summit. We're at 418. This is a 3-master bedroom villa. Let's go check it out. Check out the crib for Thanksgiving 2024. This is the living room, dining room, kitchen. It's 3:08 a.m. right now. We just got here.
Welcome to Sedona Summit. I really like this place because it's very closed off. It looks like an own bedroom.
Yeah.
And as he said, 3:08. I still have a lot of energy.
All right, let's go check out this patio, this first patio. We're gonna have breakfast here, hopefully. It's nice. Let's check out the first bedroom, master bedroom. This one has a full, and the rest has a king. It has a TV, access to the patio. Look at this bathroom though. Ginormous. And that's the number 2. The bathtub. It's crazy. Huge. Wait till you see the other one. Okay. This is the living room. Let's walk around through the living room. Has a TV as well. Lamps. Check out this huge bedroom. Look at that. It has a TV as well. Check out this huge bathroom. Pretty cool. Say hi there. This is the other bathroom. Wash up room. Oh, yeah, here's the washing machine. And what else is in here? Oh, they got some, if you need to iron your clothes, you can wash your clothes too. Now let's go to our bedroom, or my family's bedroom. Then we'll go to the second patio.
Hello.
Oh, whoa. All right, let's go check out this bedroom of ours. This is it.
Yes. Can you tell I like Stitch?
Yeah. And this is the bathtub.
The McDonald's drive-through.
This is our his and hers bathroom, shower, and a bathtub right next to it. It's pretty cool.
Like a McDonald's drive-through.
Yeah, and we have access to our patio right here. We'll go through the one right here outside. It's a huge patio. Whoa, we can have a family breakfast here.
Family meeting.
Oh, whoa. Oh, tomorrow's gonna be nice.
How do you know that?
The mountain view.
Yeah, it looks really cool.
Yeah. Cool. Well, that was it for our tour. Hope you like it.
I really
Subscribe and like,
like it. Or else
and
I'll haunt you.
let us know if you have any questions.
Subscribe or I'll haunt you forever.
Yeah. All right. See you later. Peace out.
I shout out a lot.